Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Wednesday, July 8th, 2020. Do a daily message from Spirit for you guys. I know yesterday I kind of mentioned like the rage factor. There's been, I don't know, I just feel a lot of anger coming through here as of late. I know we had a full moon and eclipse last weekend on the 4th, actually, which is appropriate. And that was in Capricorn. So I know that, a lot of us right now, with the full moon in Capricorn, it's highlighting the ending of cycles. And sometimes the ending of cycles, depending on the cycle, can bring either closure, clarity, but sometimes frustration and anger and pain, right? So I feel like right now, a lot of us, karmic cycles are being highlighted. So that could be the anger that I've been feeling. I don't know if it's coming from my DM or if it's coming from the collective. I personally don't really have anything to be angry about. So I don't think it was me, and y'all have to forgive me. My hair is a mess. So if you're feeling that, guys, just try to get yourself into a good meditation. Try to clear your mind. Feel the anger, you want to release it, right? But if it's still just hanging around and you're not really sure why, it might need to be something that needs to be refocused. Okay, so right now I definitely feel a lot of us coming into, this whole there's so much going on in the world right now, and I'm just one of those people that I call bullcrap out when I see it. Like I see through things, I see through people, I see through intentions, I basically see through, and I call it as I see it. Like, it's really hard for me to hear somebody say something that I know is crap, or to see something that's happening that I know is crap and not to say something. And a lot of times it does get me into trouble because I'm sitting here going, this may not change your mind, but I just want to call you out on your crap. I feel like a lot of us right now are in this mode. Like, and maybe that's what's making us angry, is that we're seeing these things that are happening and we feel like we can't say anything. Like, it's kind of gotten to the point where you can't even say anything. Cancel culture and whatnot. You can't speak your opinion. If your opinion is different than what the mainstream, or quote unquote mainstream, or the social Nazis, whatever you want to call them, are saying is correct, you are vilified. This is what I'm talking about when I say persecution. So be prepared for this. This is small fish, guys. This is small fish compared to what's coming, okay? So some of you might be getting some dreams here that, it's source coming in, telling you what you need to do, telling you the things that you need to change right now, because we can't control what's happening around us. Even though we want to call it out like we see it so bad, there's nothing that we can really do about it, But I do feel that this energy that we're in, this anger, this frustration, this, this whatever this energy is keeping us from moving forward. So I feel like Source is trying to come in and show you what you need to clear right now in order to get your butt moving, okay? Yeah, I feel like a lot of us right now are feeling kind of drained by the situation. So it's time to turn around and focus that energy back into yourself. Remember to bring love into the situation. If you're feeling fear, if you're feeling anger, that sort of thing, remember to bring love back into the situation. That's going to help you see things a lot clearer, okay? And don't hide what you feel. Don't feel afraid to say what you see, okay? Regardless of, cancel culture and whatnot, okay? Don't be afraid to speak what you see, okay? Because silence, when you're silent, you're endorsing what's happening. Do you see? Okay? So don't be afraid to say what you feel, okay? Source is basically giving you the go-ahead. Source has got your back, okay? Source has your back. Remember that, okay? But yeah, some of you are being called into action right now, like major action. Some of you have been holding yourself back from this action because of everything that's going on. There's this fear factor coming in. Don't you dare be afraid. Source is telling you now is the time. Now is the time. Okay? Release that codependency on what people think. Release the codependency on fear. Okay? Some of you, that is your third party, is fear. Okay? Some of you, there's literally a third party situation happening right now, that there's like a major codependency aspect here. Some of you are so afraid that you're not going to be as successful as you want. But the thing is nothing comes instantly. It would be nice. It would be nice if things came instantly. I mean, sometimes, you manifest stuff into existence, absolutely. But when when we're talking about building our abundance, you have to follow it's literally like connecting the dots. Okay, you put out your intention and then you follow the path as it goes. Okay, and that's what leads you to where you need to go. And that's been my problem. I have no patience, so I totally understand. Oh, look at that. First card out. What do you need to release? Bingo. Exactly. So Source is basically highlighting some things that need to be released. And some of us, we just need to release our anger. We need to release our fear. We need to release some of these cycles that we've been holding on to that we haven't released yet. It's like we're in the process of releasing, right? Now, once you do that, yes, clarity is going to come. Conclusions are going to come. But like I said, we need to work through our fears right now, guys. Don't be afraid. We're all in the same boat. And if we have each other's backs, Source has our back, we cannot fail. We cannot fail. Light workers unite, okay? It's time. All right? All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.